Hey, we're trying to explode a watermelon. There's Joe. There's a watermelon. How many rubber bands?
1 billion.
1 billion rubber bands. We're gonna see if this thing blows, okay?
Come on.
No, it's never happening.
I only got one left.
One left. Are we gonna have to make a target run?
Yeah.
Guard your eyes, Joe. If you die, you get sent to the ER. So, sir, how did you get hurt? Well, what had happened was... Hey, stop. I brought some trash bags. Should we put on trash bags?
Why haven't we been wearing that the whole time?
I don't know. Here. We'll put a hole through the middle. Fat guy in a little coat.
I got a medium. I don't like this.
All right, now we're wearing our trash bags. Okay?
I can't even get in mine.
All right, here we go. Trash bags on. Okay, here we go.
I got issues.
I got issues. Here we go. It's leaking back.